So step one is keyword research. We do the following things. We spy on your top competitors, and now keep in mind, your competitors don't necessarily have to be in your location. So if you live in Miami, Florida, you can have competitors that we're going to spy on in New York, even though they might not compete with you at all. We want to look at companies that do the same thing that you do, but are having very, very good success on the internet. We consider those top competitors. So we spy on those successful companies, successful online companies, and find out what their marketing model looks like. What keywords are they using? What does their website design look like? We look at a lot of different factors. So we spy on those top competitors. Again, this is for our first phase, which is the keyword research. Then we want to find out how many times the keywords are being searched. Volume is obviously important. We don't want to target a keyword that's being searched 5 or 6 times per month, because you're not going to get a return on your investment. And then the last thing is the keyword effectiveness index. And basically, in a nutshell, what this is this cross-reference the amount of searches that are being done each month to the competition that you have. Step 2 is optimizing the website. So once we've identified those keywords and key terms, we now need to optimize your website. And optimizing it is, number one, the metadata. This is something that we can't see when we go to a website. This is all back end, and it's something that the robots and the search engines know how to look for, but we can't see it. It's critical that this is all done correct. Now, we have a website. Patent Marketing owns a website called gradeyourwebsite.com, and we actually grade websites every day to find out if they're optimized correct. Our average grade from 1 to 100, or from 0 to 100 I should say, our average score is 26%. So what that tells us is that most websites are not optimized the right way. So that's the first thing we do. Next one in there is website content. And this is something we can see. So if you go to your website, we want to have a certain amount of content on your home page and interior pages as well. And we want to make sure that the keywords that we've selected from the keyword research are embedded in that. Step 3 is link building. Now this is the one that I talked about earlier. This is so important. This is what we do every month after that first month, which is a lot of research and a lot of optimization. So we do this every month, and this is really where it's all at. Link building the search engines love, because what it tells them is this: if another website has your website URL on their website, that's a link back to your website. In other words, somebody goes to a different website and they see your website's URL and they click on it, it takes them to your website. That tells these search engines one thing: that must be a good website. If another website has your website on it, it must be good. And in turn, that brings you up the search engine ladder. So link building, we perform all these activities: directory submission, social bookmarking, press release submission, and article submissions. We do hundreds of these every month for our clients, and that's how we show results. I hope that better explained what needs to be done in order to get your website on page 1 of Google, Yahoo, and Bing. So I'm going to be sending you the emails, and I'm going to be giving you basically free tips and what I do to get my clients' websites on page 1. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of time, so if you ever want to bypass that work and have me do it for you, it's real simple. All you have to do is go to webseoquickfix.com and just sign up right there, and I will go ahead and optimize your website for you. I'll do the keyword research, I'll go into your website and I'll optimize it, I'll handle everything. If you use the coupon code OPTIMIZE, you're going to get $250 off. So go ahead and take care of that. I don't know how long I'm going to be running that special, but it is on there right now. So thanks again for watching this, and see you on page 1.